In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on mentions and replies notifications that are tailored for you on X, formerly Twitter. This is a quick setting change, but it can make a big difference if you want more relevant notifications and less noise on your account. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple X and Twitter tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open x.com or the X app and look at the left navigation bar. If you don't see all the options right away, click on More. This opens the full menu with extra settings and account tools. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account preferences, privacy controls, and notification settings. Once you're in Settings and Privacy, find and click Notifications. This section controls what alerts you receive and how X sends them to you. Next, click Preferences. Inside this area, you'll see options for how your notifications are customized. Now click Push Notification. This is the section for alerts that appear on your phone or device. Here, look for Tailored for You under Mentions and Replies. This setting helps make your notifications more relevant based on your account activity and interactions. Simply toggle Tailored for You on. Once it's enabled, X will start showing you more personalized mentions and replies notifications. That's all you need to do. It only takes a few seconds, but now your notification experience is set up the way you want it. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.